Hi there. Welcome to my Life is Peachy layout video. I thank you so much for watching my videos. I thank you for liking them when it's something you like and for commenting. I love getting to connect with you and share with you, so your feedback is how I get to know you. This layout is using the January 2020 Kiwi Lane kit. However, I have made some layout kits with them that are available for purchase at craftycreations.com. But if they're no longer available, as there's only a few, and you have this kit, then you can also use it, to create your own. So it's only if you don't have it that you might want to purchase the actual layout kit that I have. So my kit is actually split up. Mine is not the Kiwi Lane kit. Mine is split up and created into a layout. So I wanted to show you it before I stuck it down. I have not inked it, and I really like the pastel colors, kind of how they are. So I don't think I am going to ink it, and that's why I kind of wanted to show you how it is. And I wanted to show you, if you purchase the kit unassembled, so if you buy it assembled, you would get it like this, ready to go. The only thing, I would not assemble the journaling mat for you in case you wanted to put a picture there. So you would get it like this, and then if you wanted to use the journaling here, you could put it there or put it elsewhere depending on what you want to do. You could also put pictures in other places, but if you purchase just the paper kit, then you would get inside your paper kit the 2 background pages, which I apparently didn't put here. Hold on one second. We want the green ones. I think I grabbed the wrong color. Okay. So we have the aqua background pages. You'll get both of those. On the flip side is the blue. You'll get both of those. You will get this beautiful Life is Peachy paper. And this, all you're going to do with this is you're going to cut a 9x9 square, which will go right here. And then with this part right here, I used Thoughtful, which is our card border. And in our scrap, I literally used our card border together as a whole, traced that out, and that is my top and bottom piece. Just keep in mind the direction of your words, which way you liked it. I did like the thicker and the point at the top, so I wanted that one at the top, so I made sure that was pointing up so the words would be in the right direction, and then the smaller one on the bottom. So that's the only thing you want to keep in mind, is your direction of your words, okay? So that way my words were facing the right direction. So the rest, you will have some scrap left of that paper. Then you're going to get this paper right here, which is the blue and the corally peach. I used, let's see, I don't remember the number, just want to make sure I tell you the right one. Abbey Road 1A and 1B. It was nice and narrow, so that's why I wanted to use that, just so it didn't take. I really love the contrast with the corally peach color and the aqua, but I didn't want to take away too much. I just wanted to split it up, so I used Abbey Road 1A and 1B. So they were nice and narrow, and that is what I used on that. And then I cut out of that same piece of paper just a 1/2 inch strip, just again to break up the colors. So I did Abbey Road and then a 1/2 inch strip. Again, you will have additional of this if you wanted to do a bolder photo mat. You'll absolutely have enough to do this as a photo mat. Then you're going to get this piece right here to do your photo mats. There are 2 4.5 by 6.5 photo mats, and then your small 3.5 by 4.5 photo mat. And again, you'll have scrap of that. I did trim down, as I told you. I had created the top and the bottom using Thoughtful. Once I had it cut, I did want to cut it to the same size as my photo mat. So then I saw what words I had, how I had my flowers, and I decided which direction I wanted it to go, and then cut it to the same size as the photo mat, including the most pretty paper. All right, and then I just cut that to the 4.5. Then you're going to get some titles. You're going to get Life is Peachy. For this one, I used the Hallmark a la carte. This is one of my favorite a la cartes. It's very useful. It's great for on these cards that you get in most of the paper packs. They'll come with a 3x5 card, so they fit perfectly on there. But you can also use it on a splash of paper as like a bracket. So if you wanted to just add a splash of color, you could use this side and just add a splash of color somewhere very easily. So it's a very versatile template. So you're just gonna trace that right out, and then you'll have your title right there. You're going to receive the title, Some of the Sweet Moments of Today. And you're also going to receive You're a Peach, which is what I just fussy cut out. I just cut it out lightly and did leave a little bit of the green on and have placed up at the top here. There's many places that you can put it. Again, I wanted to kind of show you the clusters. You will get 2 peaches. You will get these, this I actually did cut out from the scrap of the paper. It's a 1/2 inch, and then I just angled it off. But you will get this cardboard strip. You'll get these cardboard flowers. You'll get the little stickers, so you'll get all those. So there's a few different ways you can do your clusters. I have a little flower over here to break it up, but you can leave your peach off. If you want it to be less peachy and more feminine, you can just do with just the flowers, which is very, very cute, very feminine, very cute for, like, I don't know, I think of like even like a bridal shower, things like that. But even with the peach, I still think Life is Peachy. So you could come over the peach. There's so many different ways that you can add them in, but I liked them with the cluster. So then I just wanted to kind of, how do I even have that one now? Add in with the flower. All right. So it really, really is a very easy layout for you to create yourself if you have the templates and the paper pack to go ahead and do it. Or again, the club subscription, if it is something you're interested in, is $24.95 and $5 shipping a month. So it's a, a really great paper that you're going to get. So I hope this gave you an idea if you are a club member, and if you are interested again in receiving the kit unassembled, you can do that and go ahead and create it yourself. And again, you're gonna have plenty of extra scrap paper, so you can kind of tweak it and change it a little bit if you wish. And if you like to receive it already assembled like this, that is an option also. So they are available at craftycreations.com. All right, so again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you have a very peachy day.